Should have been in Hello, Anne. Hello, Anne. Where are you? Hello, Anne. Hi, Anne.
Hello. Dạ. Vâng. Hello.
Hello, Anne. Good evening.
Good evening.
Yes, I had to restart my computer because the Zoom is not responding.
Yeah.
Okay, well, anyway, we're here now. So, how are you, Anne?
I'm fine, thank you.
All right. Oh, where did you come from? Why are you running?
Um. I go to the restroom.
Ah, okay. You went to the restroom. All right. So let's begin our lesson for tonight, Anne.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So this is just the continuation of our lesson last time. Okay. So what did
Okay.
Sarah take to each place? Listen and write a letter in each box. Okay. So let's look at here. Oh, okay. Wait a minute, but there's no audio file here. Okay, so all right, let's do it like this. Okay, so what do you think is the place in letter A?
Letter A is um a bookstore.
Okay, let's see. Okay, letter A is a bookstore. Okay, how about letter B? What place is that?
Um.
So what do you call that place?
Um. Well, I don't know what it is.
Okay, it starts in letter O.
Um.
Starts in letter O. And usually, most people works here in this place. So what is it?
Hmm.
Starts in letter O and ends in letter E. Do you want to guess?
No.
All right. So this place is called, can you read it?
Office.
Okay. So this is an office. So usually most people works in this place. Okay. So how about letter C? What's this place?
Um.
Mm. So you can buy clothes or dress in that shop.
Fashion shop.
Okay, fashion shop or clothes store can be. Okay, very good. How about letter D?
Letter D.
What do you think? Is that place in letter D?
A supermarket.
Okay, very good. That is a supermarket. How about letter E?
Hmm. Um. I don't know.
You don't want to guess? It starts in letter C.
A castle.
All right, a castle. Oh, not a castle. Okay, you say castle.
Okay.
Okay, very good. How about letter F?
Letter F is a hotel.
Of course, you can see it. That is a hotel. Next one, letter G. What's that?
Um. hmm, um,
What's letter G?
it is a cafe.
Okay, a cafe. And last one, letter H.
Um. Um. A parking.
All right, parking, or it can be also a street. Okay, very good, Anne. So now this girl is Sarah. Okay, so these are some places which she goes to, and these are some things that she must bring. Okay, so now let's listen and let's listen to the audio file and then um tell me the letter of the correct answer after it. Okay.
Okay.
All right, let's begin now.
17E. A day's work. Listen and look. There is one example. What did Sarah take to each place?
What's the matter, Mum?
I'm tired. There was something wrong with my computer this morning. I couldn't send any emails. I had to take some letters to another office in the town. It was a long walk.
Oh dear.
Can you see the letter B? Now you listen and write a letter in each box.
You know my new dark blue jacket?
Yes.
I took it back to that little clothes shop before I went to work. After I washed it, it was light blue. I was very angry. But the woman there was kind. She gave me my money back.
Did you write any stories today?
Yes, I took some good photos with my new camera too. I took it with me to the castle. A group of actors are making a film there. I asked them lots of questions. It was exciting. I saw Helen at lunchtime.
I like her. She's funny.
She is, isn't she? I needed to give her back her scarf. She left it in our car last Sunday. So I took it to the new cafe in High Street. We had a lovely meal there. I gave someone my umbrella today.
Why?
Well, I saw lots of people outside the supermarket. Dan Sun, the famous TV star, is making a new TV programme about shopping there. I went inside to ask him some questions, but he was too busy to talk to me. Then it started to rain, so I gave it to him. I wanted to come home after that, but I had to take a map to a hotel first, the one where all the actors are staying,
Why?
because one of the actors needed it. I found one in my favourite bookshop. He was very happy when I gave it to him.
Okay, so let's answer. So what place do you think is a map?
A map is letter F.
All right, wait a minute. Letter F. How about a scarf?
The scarf is letter letter G.
Okay, next one. How about the umbrella?
Um, letter D.
Okay, how about the jacket?
The jacket, letter C.
And last one is the camera.
Camera is letter E.
Okay, so let us check your answers now, Anne. Okay. All right, so letter C is the jacket. Letter D is the umbrella. E is the camera. F is the map. And G is the scarf. Okay, good job, Anne. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. 5 points for the first activity. So now, look at the pictures and tell the story. Okay. So, I have here a question, okay? What is Sarah's job?
She is a journalist.
Okay, so again, what do you mean by a journalist? And can you tell me something about it?
mm,
So, in by a journalist. Mm-hmm. So what do you mean by a journalist?
um,
Do you know what is a journalist?
No.
Okay, so a journalist, this is a person who goes to different places and writes a story or something about the place that she went to, okay? All right, so next
Okay.
one. Okay, so look at the pictures, and there are 4 pictures as you can see on the screen. So now all you have to do is to make a story out of it, okay? Now what do you think is the story? Start with picture number 1.
Um, um,
Okay, and what do you think is the picture number 1 all about? Can you tell me something about it?
um,
Mm-hmm. What is she doing in picture number 1? Look at the picture.
um, she is pointing the man.
Mm-hmm. She's
Mm,
pointing to the man. Now, who do you think is that man?
Um, um, he is John Clark.
Okay. So you think? So do you think he is famous?
Yeah.
Yeah, because why? Why do you think John Clock is famous? Why do you think so?
Because there are some people around him.
Okay, very good. Now, what happened in number 2? Mm-hmm. What do you think happened in picture number 2?
Um, um,
Mm-hmm. Tell me what does picture number 2 is all
um,
about?
um, John Clark. Um, mm, um,
What? John
um,
Clock.
mm,
What do you think, Anne?
um,
So you said in picture number 1 that the girl is pointing at the man who is very famous, right? Because there are a lot of reporters interviewing him. And then what do you think happened to the number 2 picture?
Um, um, hmm,
Mm-hmm. What do you think so?
hmm,
Do you know the answer?
no.
Okay, that's very simple, and you just have to look at the picture, and there's no wrong answer here, okay? So number 2, oh, I will help you number 2, but you must answer 3 and 4, okay? So number 2, so Sarah, the journalist, was disappointed because she was not able to have a chance to interview John Clark because there are a lot of cameramen and reporters following him. Okay, so she's sad. How about number 3?
Um, number 3.
Hmm?
John Clark came to the cafe where Sarah go.
Okay, very good. So number 4.
Um, mm, mm, they are talking a lot.
Mm-hmm. So what happened? What happened in picture number 4? Why are they talking?
Um,
Why are they talking? What do you think so?
I can't think anything.
Okay. So you said that John went to the restaurant where Sarah eats. Okay? So I think number 4, um so Sarah was surprised because John was there also in that place. So she has now the opportunity to interview John. Okay, that's why on the picture they are talking. And then what happened in picture number 5?
Um, hmm,
Mm-hmm. So what happened in picture number 5?
Mm,
What happened?
um,
What?
mm,
Do you know? Do you know what happened?
no.
Okay. So number 5, that's very easy. So, her interview was released in the newspaper. So, the journalist became famous because she was able to talk with John Clark. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay, next one. Okay, this is the opening of the story. John Clark, a famous TV star, is staying at the Sea Hotel. Sarah is standing outside the hotel. She wants to ask John some questions, but there are too many journalists and photographers there. Sarah can get near him. Okay, so how about, okay, let's answer these questions. Number 1, is Sarah near John Clark now?
No.
Okay. So number 2, what is John Clark doing?
Um, hmm.
Based on the picture, what is John Clark doing?
Um, he face to um,
What? You just look at the picture and tell me what is John Clark doing now?
mm,
What do you think John Clark is doing?
um, um, he- mm,
What do you think? Do you think he is going inside or he is going outside?
he want to going inside.
Okay. So number 1, the answer is no. And number 2, going into the hotel. Okay. So picture number 3, and where is Sarah now?
Sarah is in a cafe.
What is Sarah drinking?
Sarah is drinking cafe.
Okay, who is coming into the cafe?
Um, he is John Clark.
Okay, so the answer is number 1, she's in a cafe. She is drinking a cup of coffee or a cafe. And number 3, John Clark. Okay, that's correct. Picture number 4. Who is Sarah talking to now?
Um, it is John Clark.
Okay, why do you think they are talking now?
Um, Um,
What do you think? Are they talking about?
um,
Hmm?
mm,
Do you know the answer?
no.
Okay. So here, number 1 is John Clock. Number 2, maybe he is answering Sarah's question. Okay, so picture number 5. What is Sarah doing now?
Um, sh she is pointing to newspaper.
Yes, she's pointing into the newspaper. Okay, and the number 2, what can you read in the front page of the newspaper?
Um, our journalist Sarah talks to John Clark.
Okay, so let's see. Okay, you're correct. It's holding a newspaper and it says our journalist Sarah talks to John Clark. Okay, now let's make a full story. Okay, so now we are finished with that activity. So now we are having an activity again, the alphabet job challenge, okay? So all you have to do, Anne, is you're going to give me a name of a job that starts in letter A up to W, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to write your answers here. Okay, so
Um,
let's start with letter A. Give me a job that starts in letter A.
astronaut.
Astronaut. Astro. Okay. How about letter B?
Um, uh, mm,
A job that starts in letter B.
um,
Mm-hmm.
um, 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 ballet dancer.
Ballet dancer. Okay. How about letter C? Letter C.
Um, um, a chef.
Okay. D.
Um, a doctor.
Very good. E.
Um,
This is a person who builds a building. What do you call that?
um, um,
Starts in letter E.
um, um,
What? It starts in letter E and next is letter N.
um,
That's very easy. That is a very
Uh,
common job. What do you think?
mm,
Do you know it or not? So let's skip.
no,
What?
no.
Okay, how about letter F?
Um,
What do you think is this job? Letter F.
um, um,
You must answer faster because we got a lot of letters left. Letter F. Job that starts in letter F.
mm, um, I don't know.
G.
Um, um,
Do you know it?
no.
H. Tell me if you don't know so that we can skip. H.
Um, um, hairdresser.
Okay, that's nice. Hair dresser. How about letter I?
Um, inventor.
Very good. J.
Say journalist.
K.
Okay. Um, uh, I can find any.
K. L.
L. Lawyer.
M.
Um, 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 musician.
Okay, musician. N. Letter N.
Um, nurse.
Very good. O.
Um, um, mm,
Now, if you don't know, just tell me so we can skip to the next letter.
no.
Okay, how about letter P?
Policeman.
Q.
Q. Um, I can find any.
R.
Um, no.
S.
Um, scientist.
Wow. T.
T. No.
U.
No.
V.
No.
W.
No.
Oh, there's a lot. Okay, so I will give you examples, okay? So letter D, letter E, you weren't able to answer letter E. So letter E is engineer. E, okay, what else? E, F, G. Okay, E, F is a farmer. Farmer. G is a G. Gamer.
Okay.
Okay, G, H, I, J, K is K. Wait a minute, I'm thinking. Letter K. Okay, you can also think, okay? K is for what do you call that? Key, I think that's keyboard. What do you call that? The one who plays a keyboard or a piano. Wait a minute, I'm gonna ask. Oh, it's a keyboardist. I think that there is a word, something like that. LMNO. O is can be ophthalmologist. That is a kind of a doctor. Ophthalmologist. LMNOP. R is a okay, let's skip. T is a teacher. R is a I think that's radio announcer. But I cannot think of letter K. K is okay, never mind. I cannot think of a letter K job that starts in letter K. It's very hard too. Okay. So let's see. Okay, A, actor, astronaut. B, bus driver or businessman. Okay. Okay, so before we end, Anne, I would like to know what is your dream job when you grow up?
I don't have any.
You do not have any idea yet?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I didn't think about it.
Okay, but what um when somebody asks you, what do you want to be when you grow up? What comes into your mind first?
Well, I don't know.
Oh, okay. Well, I think that's not yet in your mind. You're not yet thinking about it because you're still on an elementary. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay, and so let's continue again our class on Thursday.
On
Yeah, Thursday, okay?
okay.
All right. So goodbye, Anne.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.